So today I'm gonna be testing out this BuzzFeedTasty, and that's how this teriyaki steak rolls. So it's teriyaki steak rolls. So it's gonna have all those vegetables in it, and I'm gonna start it right now. So in here I already have flank steak, and then you needed to add soy sauce, and then there's also honey in here. So half a cup of soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of honey. So this is half a cup of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of honey. Oh my gosh, I'm losing it. And then you're gonna need 1 lime, so I'm gonna cut this in half and then squeeze the juices in. And I went ahead and added in garlic and ginger, and then this is optional, but I'm gonna add it because I like it. It says to add some sriracha. Oh no, you want some too? So, oh, that's kind of a lot, but, and then you just mix it all together, cover it, and chill. Put it in the fridge. You're so arrows. Hi guys, so I do not know what happened to my end clip, but these were bomb. So in the rows you put, I believe I put asparagus, carrots, and onions, but you can put whatever vegetable you want. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I will link I will have their Facebook down below if you guys want to go check it out. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. And if you try it or tried it, let me know how you feel about it. And let me know if there's any other ones that you guys would like me to try.
And me, Eleiya, and this is my mom.
Okay, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.